I would like to introduce themaddmentor.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Mad Mentor, and in this video I'll show you how easy it is to install the Sky News app for the Amazon Firestick and the Fire TV. It's really easy to install, it takes less than a minute and it's a handy little app to have on your device. So before we get started, if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click on the notifications icon and you'll get alerts for my weekly uploads. So to get things started, if we go to the left and go down, and you either need to do a voice search or start typing out Sky News. So I'm going to start typing it out. SKY space N, and as you can see it appears in the list below, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Next you should see this page, so again click OK and you'll then see this page, so go ahead and click download. You'll see queued, downloading, and it's then going to start installing. So just give it a moment. There we go, so just wait for the notification to disappear on the bottom right. And there you go, you've got Sky News installed, so all you need to do is go ahead and click open. And there you go. So as you can see, you've got a menu on the left with all your different categories. All you need to do is go to the right on any of the categories. And then as you can see, you've got all the latest news. So you've got latest, you've got US news, world news, you've got UK news, technology, entertainment, royal family, and you can even search. So before you go, thanks for watching. I hope the video helped you out. Subscribe and click on the notifications icon and you'll get alerts from my weekly uploads. Hit like and comment, which really helps support the channel, and share to all your mates. See you next time. Peace!
I would like to introduce themaddmentor.